Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I am so excited about this box.
Yeah, I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer.
Do you see this? Do you see this? This means I have a different box than I normally have. So I've already taken off the wrapper that it comes in. I was so excited to see this. Okay, a little backtrack here, a little backstory. Everybody that's been with me for a while knows that my friend Karen over at Karen's USA Adventures started an Enchanted Mysteries box. It is not a subscription box. And just different theme box. We have Disney, we have Harry Potter, we have British themed boxes, some with tea, British tea, some with British candy. So many that I can't even like list them all right here. Like just can't, because it's just gonna blow your mind how many. So what you need to do is go over to her Facebook page, Enchanted Mysteries Facebook, and it will tell you how to order these boxes. Again, not a subscription box, so you only have to order one at a time. 1 month you can get a special box like this one, or you could get a Harry Potter box. You could get a Harry Potter box with theme to your house. Oh, okay, I've already said enough that there's just so much to choose from. I want to get into this box. So you know my past boxes have all been Disney related boxes. And this is Disney related, by the way. But it is the pen box. There is nothing in here except for pens from Disneyland Paris. I am beyond excited. I'm so excited that I'm surprised I'm not like spitting as I talk. That's how excited I am. It's been a long time since I've had any pen related videos on this channel, and I used to have a lot, but I had to cut down on my pen buying because Funko Pops took over and then Ray Dunn took over. But to know there are pens from Disneyland Paris in this box. Oh, okay, so I've already broken the torn the thing off here so it would save time. So let's see what we have. What do we have? So we have some stickers that she normally puts in the boxes. And then this says, thank you for purchasing our June mystery box. It's been lovely seeing your reactions to our new design. May the mysteries continue. Okay, again, loving the whole Eiffel Tower Paris looking thing on her Enchanted Mysteries boxes. Okay, so what I see right away, it looks like a bag. And I'm gonna like slip that out. Oh my gosh, it's one of the Disneyland Paris reusable bags. Guys, I've never been to Disneyland Paris, so this is cool. Of course, I have a couple of the Walt Disney World reusable bags, recyclable bag. Oh my gosh, it's a small world on here. But I don't have one from Disneyland Paris. This is so cool. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh, okay, so I'm seeing like, oh my gosh. I'm seeing like little pouches, and there's more little pouches. There's 2 blues and 2 reds. Oh my gosh. And then there is, oh, then there's a postcard. And there is a postcard from Disneyland Paris, I'm gonna guess. Let me read the back. It is a product exclusive, Disneyland Paris. Yep, I'm reading the back of it. And that's what it says. That's cool. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm not sending this postcard to anyone. I'm keeping it myself. Okay, we'll just say Karen sent me the postcard. All right, first of all, let's admire these adorable little bags. I am so gonna reuse these. Definitely. Do you know how many swap boxes I do? I do a Christmas swap box or a Valentine's Day swap box. I am so using this. Okay, I'm gonna end up having to put my glasses on. Okay, so in this bag, there's 2 pins. And I'm gonna let you guys see first because I can't see without putting my glasses on anyway. And oh my gosh, it's Lumiere. Oh, it's Lumiere. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So this is just a Disneyland Paris. I love the backer card. So I am one of these people that save my backer cards. Like, I think that makes the pen a lot of times. A lot of times it'll tell you the story too of the pen sometimes. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is hard. Okay, here we go. This is big. What is this? Okay, so I'm showing you guys. Oh my gosh, it's Chip and Dale. Oh my gosh, Mr. Mouse Diva is going to be so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so me and Mr. Mouse Diva. Like, if Mr. Mouse Diva came out like that, I would be cracking up like this, except I'd actually probably pee in the costume. I would be laughing so hard. Oh, I can't wait to show him. So I might wait. He's already went to bed. The night owl, he's the early bird. I may wait, and at the very end of this vlog, I'm going to show him this Chip and Dale pin so that you can see his reaction. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. And also the outro music, I will give you close-ups on the pins. Okay. Oh my gosh. So there's more. Let's try one of the blue bags. There's more. More pins. So one went flying. There's 3. There are 3 pins. And there's 2 more pouches. Like, there cannot be that many pins in this box. No way. Oh my gosh. It is Mrs. Potts and Chip. It goes with the Lumiere pen. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. I love it. Guys, listen up. This is one of the ways to get Disneyland Paris pins and not pay a fortune for them, like on the resale market. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here we have, I don't know because I can't see. Okay, let me put my glasses on. Okay, so it is, oh, it's a 2001, just a regular 2001 Disneyland Paris pen. You know what? I'm curious to see what the backs of these pens look like. Oh my gosh, this is so refreshing. Guys, you don't know. It's been so long since I've even bought pens, even at the parks. Okay, oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cool to see backs of pens again. It's the little things. It's the little things. I am making such a mess over here. Okay. Oh, this is a Chip and Dale. This is a Chip and Dale. Okay, now I have 2 pens to show Mr. Mouse Diva that you're going to be able to see the reactions for. This is just a really big. I mean, they are big. Big pen. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm reaching in. And we'll do another blue one. Oh my god. I love these pens. They're like velvety, by the way. Okay, 2 more. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. Karen, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I mean, how else? Oh my. I'm sorry. I know I normally show you guys first. Oh my gosh. This is a limited, okay. One of the things I collect are holiday Disney pins. I love holiday Disney pins. They don't have a lot of St. Patrick's Day pins. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to take this one off. And this one says limited edition. Well, obviously, because it's St. Patrick's Day. Oh my gosh. gosh. This is number 250 of 700. I'm pretty sure that's what that says. Wow. Wow, wow. I love this pen. Oh my gosh. It is so, like, I'm being very careful not to get my fingerprints on this part right here. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm really trying not to get my fingerprint. Okay, so far, this is my favorite. I love the Chip and Dale one. It's so funny, the little Easter one. But this actually says St. Patrick's Day on it. And St. Patrick's Day pens are so much more rare that is like my favorite so far. Did I open both from that? Okay, there's another one. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one I'll let you see first. Let me see. Let me let you see. Okay. Let me put my glasses on because I can't see. It's Cogsworth and Lumiere. Oh, by the way, guys, if you don't know, I love Beauty and the Beast. Like, oh, and I'm sorry about this fingernail. It broke. These are like my real fingernails, by the way, guys. And you know what? Life happens and it broke. Okay, so, wow. So there's a whole series because they're all on the same backer card. Oh my gosh, what if I have the whole series? Like Mrs. Potts, okay, this is cool. Okay, one more bag. Oh my gosh. I need to get another one of these, like, boxes. Oh my gosh. Yes, they went to, Karen and Phil, her husband, went to Disneyland Paris and did a whole lot of shopping. Oh my gosh. You know she's not on a lot of pens. Oh, this is awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay. I just double checked the box. One pen left. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Let's see. Who is it? I can't see. Oh my gosh, it's Chip and Dale. Oh, now Mr. Mouse Diva has 3. Oh my gosh, I love this pen. Oh my gosh. So, is this a key? Dangle? I think this is a dangle element, guys. I am pretty sure this is a dangle element. Let me show you it is. Okay, let me show you the back of the card. The Disneyland Paris. And look, it's a dangle element. Oh my gosh. This is going to be, I don't know if this is going to be his favorite or, nah, the Easter ones are probably going to be his favorite. This is so cool. And the reason I like this is it's different from you know, we have a Chip and Dale Tower of Terror pen. Actually, we might have 2. Like Disney World is when I say we, I mean Disney World. But it doesn't look like this. So them underneath the suitcase or carrying the suitcase, that is really cute. I love the dangle element. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite box yet. Out of all the boxes that I've gotten, they're all great and wonderful. But right now, this is my favorite. And I think it's just because, I mean, when am I going to get Disneyland Paris pens? I'm not. Like, right now, yeah, I'm not. So, I'm telling you guys, this is the way to get them. And, oh my gosh, now I can't wait for the next box. I cannot wait for the next box. You can get a box every month if you want to. Just go to our Facebook page, order. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna insert Mr. Mouse Diva's reaction to this pen, but go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notification button so you know when I have another Enchanted Mysteries box. See you at the parks. He has no idea why I've sat him down to film.
I never do.
So, you know, Karen had sent another Enchanted Mysteries box. And there are 3...
Yay, Karen!
And there's 3 things in the box that I think you'd be very interested in. I'll give you a clue. This box was entirely a Disneyland Paris pen box.
Cool.
First up.
There's Chipmunks. All right. It's Chip and Dale.
Okay, so they've already seen me open it, but I wanted to show you.
Cool. What? That's cool.
Now he's looking at the Tower of Terror one, guys.
That's cool.
I like that one better than our Tower of Terror pin.
I'm afraid I'm not that familiar with
We
the
have
pin.
it. Like, I meant we as in Walt Disney World, but we also own that pin. You don't remember seeing that pin several times in the parks?
I'm sure I have, but I don't recall what it looks like.
All right, and let's see.
Oh my gosh.
I said that is like me and you. Like, if I saw you in that outfit, I would be laughing just like Chip, that I'd probably pee in the costume. I'd be laughing so hard if you came out looking like that.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, you would. One of the things I like is that the pins are all so big. Like, compared to a lot of the ones that I see this side of the pond. So, they're cool.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I've been all around the world.